2. Ever feel like no matter how much water you drink, you're still tired? What if I told you the water we've been drinking, the stuff in all those plastic bottles, isn't giving us the full story? I was skeptical too, until I experienced this. This isn't just filtered water. It's something entirely new. Imagine water that's been vapor distilled to its purest form, then restructured and recharged using light and sound frequencies. It sounds like science fiction, right? But the concept is simple. Give your body water in a state it can actually recognize and absorb efficiently. Think of it as upgrading your fuel from regular to premium. This is more than just hydration. 8. It's about providing your cells with pure, structured energy. It's a complete shift in how we think about the most essential element of life. Want to feel the difference for yourself? Check out the link in the description to learn more about this revolution in hydration. Thanks for watching.